What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto. In this video we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin is holding on very well. You could see right here for roughly 2-3 days in total, Bitcoin has managed to hold on very well, which is definitely good to see. So also we could also see that we are retesting the resistance. If we've broken out, no, we haven't broken out yet. As you can see clearly right here, that we are still struggling to break out of this major resistance right here at 71,400. And you could see also clearly, I made it known so that we're most likely going to drop down from this major level right here. So I will be taking this away from here, just for us to reanalyze the market again. So back to where we currently are right now. You could see we've been retesting this level for a very long time, though we kind of broke out here. We got a very good support here, we rallied, we broke down, retested, dumped, retested again. You could see that we've been retesting this resistance for a very long time. So right now, I don't know if this this is the chance for Bitcoin to break above 71,400 level. I don't know, but once we're able to break out with good volume and the fundamentals allow, or the fundamentals are letting it, the fundamentals are genuine, the fundamentals will definitely bring in liquidity into the market again. I think we are most likely going to find support around here at 71,400 before we could rally into our next major resistance right here. So I think this will most likely be the case for Bitcoin. Now we could see the bear pressure that the bearish pressure the market was getting yesterday from Bitcoin, even to the S&P 500. So you could see that the fundamentals right now is uncertain. The Middle East war, nothing is certain at the moment, because even what the president of the United States is actually letting us know is not what is actually going on behind the scenes. So I would say for now that the best thing to do is sit on your hands and just watch out for a major breakout. If we're breaking out above 71,400 with good support and a retest with good backing from the fundamentals, then I can say that yes, things are most likely going to go well. But if the geopolitical is not looking nice, I would say that we're most likely going to be pulling back into this major support at 66,000 or $67,000, or we could even drop all the way down to this major support from this consolidation phase, which is 65,000 levels right here. So I think if this is not going to be the case right here, I would say if this is not going to be the case whereby we break out, we're most likely going to be dropping into this area at 65,600 level. So I think at the end of the day, we definitely need to make sure that we are within this consolidation phase, because any breakout below this place will definitely lead to the worst case scenario, which will end up sending us all the way back down to 58,000 level, and which is definitely not going to be good, because it will lead to a breakout from this bearish bear flag pattern that will definitely send us all the way low. And you could see right here that from the weekly time frame, clearly that we have different major supports right here, but if we break below this major trend line support, we are most likely going to be dropping into this other support right here. And where this other support is currently around here at probably 42-45, or we could even drop all the way down to $21, which I don't think this will most likely be the case anytime soon. I don't think this will most likely be the case anytime soon. So with the look of things, I would say that there's a high chance for us to still rally into $79,000-$84,000 before we drop down any lower. So I think this is basically it. Long term, mid term, we could rally into 84,000. Then from here we could start dropping all the way down below $58,000. So this is majorly what I think will happen. So with the look of things right here, you could see, even based on the other chart right here, you could see this is definitely the bear flat pattern, and we are holding on very well. As you can see, above 69,127, we are holding on very well. Bitcoin is yet to break out again. You could see right here we have not broken above this level right here, so it's definitely something we need to take note of. When we break above it, we find support, we are most likely going to rally much higher. So you could see right here that gold, on the other hand, is also looking nice. It kind of bounced off from here, and I made it known to us also yesterday that we're most likely going to see gold either bouncing off from here, or we are going to see gold retesting this major support right here, which you could see that we have not tested this level, neither have we broken below this level, with confirmation into this major support at $4,170. And also, if you can see the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is stable. You could see this is some form of an uptrend right here. If you can take note of this, this is some form of an uptrend. So we've not broken below this trend, so I would say we are good. The S&P 500 is good. For crude oil, the crude oil is kind of bearish, as you can see right here. I made it known to us in my video yesterday that it's either we see it recover or reclaim this level at $92, and we rally much higher to this area of resistance at 98, or we break below this support at $88, and we could head all the way down to this price level at $77. So I think this is majorly what we should be expecting. The fundamentals right now is kind of calm, so the market is, the market is stable. That's basically all I can say right now for the market. The market is stable, so anything can happen anytime that will definitely trigger volatility in the market. So I'll definitely be here to keep us up to date. All you have to do is subscribe if you do enjoy these videos. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful day. Peace out.